Good evening, everyone. I am Jessamay Sawanan, and today I will demonstrate or I will show you how to properly troubleshoot network. So we will use the CMD or command prompt. Just select command prompt and then the first step is to check the connectivity. So first is type ping 127.0.0.1. This is to check if TCP or IP is installed and working. Enter. So we can see that it is working. Step 2 is to test the network adapter functionality. So ping the local machine IP. Ping. Then your IP, type your IP address. So my IP address is 192.168.1.59 and then enter. And then third is to check connection to the router. So ping the default gateway. To find your gateway with ipconfig, wait. Okay. Ping. So you should type ipconfig for you to know what is your default gateway. And then here we can see my default gateway. So should type ping and then copy this one. Okay, so the step for the step 1, which is the check connectivity, is to test internet access. So being an external website, so the external website that I will use is the google.com. So you just type in and then the website google.com. So here it is successful. So if it fails, try ping 8.8.8.8 to check DNS issues. And then the step 2 is verify network configuration. So step 2 is to verify network configuration. So first, check the IP configuration. Just type IP config /all to verify your IP address, subnet mask, gateway, and DNS servers. So just enter here. It appears the configurations. And then just release and renew the IP address. So for the release, you just type /release, and for the renew, just type ipconfig renew. So type ipconfig/release, and then IP renew. Here. And then flash the DNS cache to clear potentially corrupted DNS. So to do this, just type ipconfig/flash DNS, and then enter. Successfully flash the DNS resolver cache. And then view the DNS cache. Just type ipconfig/display DNS. Enter. ipconfig is not recognized as an internal or external version or patch. Okay, sorry. I just type, guys. I'm so sorry. ipconfig display DNS, enter. Yeah. DNS.com, record name, record type, time to live, data length, record name, 5, hopefully 5S. That's the devices that are connected to this network. And then step 3 is to test the DNS. So there is only one procedure for you to test the DNS. So you should check the DNS resolution. So this would confirms if the DNS server resolves the domain name. So just type nslookup nslookup google.com. This is the website that I tried to ping. This would our DNS resolution. Just enter server, unknown address, blah blah blah, name, google.com addresses. And then step 4, test routes and hopes. So you should trace the routes to an address to identify where the connection is failing. Just trace it. Go off. Enter. Tracing route to google.com over a maximum of 30 hops. So let's just wait since it may takes time since we have a um so trace complete. So next is test open port. So just type telnet 192.1.80. Enter. As an terminal or external command or variable program or anyways. Step 5, monitor active connections. So view active network connections. Just type netstat and then check specific port usage. Netstat find a for example, just for example. And then for the step 6, test routing table. So view routing table. Just type route. Hmm. To check routes and ensure no conflicts. Enter. Active browse. Yes. No, none. Then step 7, other useful commands. Just reset TCP or IP stack. Just type net int IP reset catalog if issues persist, net pensac reset, then check network sharing services, just type net use. Then for the step 8, just interpret the results, and then step 9, consult logs, check logs for detailed insight. Just type event viewer. So that's all. Thank you for watching, everyone.